Do you know that we never say waters, rices or sugars? So why is that so? So it's related to the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's understand what are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So the first of all, we will see what are countable nouns. Like countable nouns are like things or nouns can be counted with numbers are called countable nouns. For example, now pen it is countable noun. Why? Because we can count with numbers like one pen, two pens, three pens, four pens. So we can count with numbers. Now next it is, now apple, it is also countable noun. Like we can count like apples, like countable one apple, two apples, three apples. The next, now book, it is also countable noun. We can count with numbers like one book, two books, three books, four books. So book, it is also countable noun. Now next, bag, like I have two bags, so bag is also countable noun. Why? Because I can count with numbers like one bag or two bags. Next, we'll talk about uncountable nouns. Like uncountable nouns are nouns or things cannot be counted with numbers are called uncountable nouns. For example, water. Now we cannot count with numbers like one water or two waters or three waters. So water, it is uncountable noun. Then next, rice. Again, rice, it is also uncountable noun. We cannot count with numbers like one rice or two rices or three rice. It is uncountable. Then next, it is sugar. Again, sugar, it is also uncountable noun because we cannot count with numbers. We cannot say one sugar, two sugars or three sugars. So sugar, it is also uncountable noun. Now, next thing, we'll see what are the differences between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, we can use indefinite articles like a and an. For example, this is a pen, a pen. So I have used article a. Then this is an apple. So I have used article an. This is a book. This is a bag. This is a bottle. This is a table. This is a mobile. This is window. This is chair. So all these are countable nouns. Now next it is with uncountable noun, we cannot use indefinite articles like a and an. Example, this is water, not a water or an water. This is water. Then this is rice. This is sugar. So no article before that. The we can use. Now the next difference, countable nouns can be singular or plural. For example, we can say singular pen, many pens, plural pens. Singular apple, plural apples. Singular book, plural books. Uncountable nouns have only singular forms. We can say water, rice, sugar, not waters, not rices or not sugars. So that's why that is grammatically wrong. We never use that like waters or sugars or rices. I hope you got the answer. Now the next difference, with countable nouns we can use singular or plural verbs. For example, we can say this is a pen, is a pen. So I have used singular verb, is, helping verb, is. And for many plural also we can use, that is are. So we can say these are pens. One more example, we can say this is an apple, these are apples. So we can use is and are, singular and plural verbs. In the past we can use was and were. But here again for uncountable nouns we can use only singular verbs, not plural verbs. So it is this is water, this is rice, this is sugar. So we cannot use are. So past we can use was. In the future will. Now the next difference, for the countable nouns we can use quantifiers like many, few, a few. Uncountable nouns we can use quantifiers like much, a little bit. So the last difference, if we talk about the question part, then for the countable nouns we can use how many, We can say how many books are here. Okay, how many pens are here? Okay, and if we talk about uncountable nouns, for uncountable nouns, we can use how much. We can say how much water is here in the bottle, or how much water is there in the bottle, how much sugar is there in the bag, how much rice is in the bag, how much sugar is in the bag. I hope you understood all these things. Okay, I'll write in the comment box the list of the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So you can just go through this list. Okay, now let me understand. Now you can write down the answer in the comment box. So let me check that have you understood this topic or not. Okay, so you just tell me this. These are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So honey and milk. So you can write down in the comment box, are these countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and the like and share the video. If you like and share the video and subscribe to the channel, I'll get more motivations to create more videos. These videos will help you to improve your speaking as well as writing. Thank you so much.